Brother and sister in Christ, I would like to discuss again about the rapture time frames because God revealed it to me yesterday, Wednesday, November 29. Today is November 30th while I'm making this video. What God told me in my dream, in the word, He said, you will graduate next year. You will graduate next year. I thought in the dream, I'm not at school. What graduate about? Graduate school when I was in the past, or what? And then after I woke up, I realized, I remember that there are many Christians have the dreams and vision talking about the pass the examination and the test. Okay, in this world, while we living in this world, is we are all the students. Okay, it doesn't matter Christians or non-Christian or unbeliever, whatever. If people pass the test, with the God in the Bible, nothing to do with the false God, and whether this person pass the test or not, to pass through this life, go to heaven or not, or the kingdom of God. So by that, the meaning that word itself. And then I just remember them. And one of the dream, I remember particularly one dream, at least two similar dream from other Christian. They're in the classroom, Jesus Christ with several Christian people there. Okay, and suddenly they are disappear. So it's meaning this rapture event. And some that's Christian get left behind, still in that classroom. Okay, so it's meaning this, you will graduate next year, what God told me in my dream yesterday. So it's meaning the rapture event will take place next year. This is what I see. Could be I'm wrong, could be I'm misinterpreted. But I put the puzzle together with other Christians' dreams and vision. Okay, the next year is the high rapture alert. The other thing, connection with this, 5 days, before I have that prophetic word from the Lord yesterday. So 5 days before that, on Friday, November 25th. What I heard that prophetic words on Wednesday, November 29. But on the November 25th, so 5 days before I got a prophetic word from the Lord in my dream, a lady bought my Christmas tree, small Christmas tree. It's about 4 foot high. You see, this is the smaller one. This one. The reason I saw it and I put the ad on the Facebook Marketplace, I just want to get rid of the tree. I have a lot of other Christmas trees. Not a lot, I'm talking about just other two. This one and the other two larger than this one. And the 7 foot Christmas tree and the other 9 foot. I don't need another tree, I'm thinking like that. So I just want to sell it. So the woman bought my Christmas tree. She talking about the rapture to me. The reason she's found my video, my YouTube channel video in this channel. She saw my link and this video, my channel, the one I put on my Facebook. So she listened some of the videos, and a lot of my videos talking about the rapture than anything else. So that's why she told me the dream and vision from the Lord about the rapture. One of that vision, she saw the giant clock, the black color clock, and the hand of the clock itself moving very fast toward to the end. So it's meaning we are living in an end times, move very fast, day after day, faster and faster to go toward to the end. When the time Jesus coming at the rapture of the church, before 7 years tribulation take place. So when she talk about the rapture, this thing, when she bought my Christmas tree, this the smaller Christmas tree. She going to put this Christmas tree outside her home, yeah, to decorate it. So so related with that Christmas tree and Christmas, and she talk about the rapture. Talking about Christmas, yeah, there are many Christian have Christmas rapture dreams and vision. What I found a lot of them, more than 150 at least, because I read a lot of them, yeah, the testimony of their dreams, and also in the video in YouTube. I think more fun if video in YouTube and no other platform so far. Yeah. So for many years, okay. But I kinda weird when I try to find it again. Those video already disappear. Either one gets shadow banning by YouTube itself because the censorship, or the owner of the video remove the video by them, who remove it by themselves, yeah, or the YouTube itself do I remove that video. Unfortunately, because a lot of people will do not know, because while when this around article people talking about the rapture, many also Christian who put false date, always they set the rapture date but not correct, okay. There are more Christian who believe the rapture event will take place during that Jewish feast rather than church feast itself, because they believe Christmas is pagan festival. Okay, original pagan festival, who cares? But God already revealed it. Because I told you already, Christmas is the time when Jesus' conception, not his birth. His birth or his birthday on the Feast of Tabernacle, Sukkot. During that Feast Tabernacle Sukkot also, when the time his millennial kingdom for 1,000 years, because the people who under his rule at that time, also a lot of still human being, they're going to repopulate the earth, more and more population than today's population. He the one will rule the world, and he will have the what you call the festival too, to celebrate Sukkot or Tabernacle during that time, because he is the God with us, Emmanuel. God himself, directly God himself with the people during his millennial kingdom. That's why I celebrate Sukkot. Same thing when his first coming. Also, okay, started on when he already in this world, inside this world, and on the Sukkot or Tabernacle feast at the end September. So his conception at the end of December. I call it, I give the biblical evidence already in my other video, that according to Zechariah, when the time when he was in the temple, he's the priest, one of the priests in the temple, he's the time frame and his duty there, and we count it from there. Zechariah and Elizabeth, his wife Elizabeth, when they have their baby, John the Baptist, who baptized Jesus Christ. And from Zechariah and Elizabeth, I think they are really related with Mary, Jesus' earthly mother. Mary had related, I think, the family relation and cousin or what, I forget which one, I think with Elizabeth. So they have the 6 months apart, and the Jesus Christ, 6 months younger than John the Baptist. So counting from that, okay, John the Baptist was born, I think, around Passover, what I understand. Passover sometime late March, and 6 months later, in late September, on the Feast of Tabernacle. Okay, but his conception at the end of December, just right around Christmas. This is very clear. Christmas have the meaningful too. The date itself, because Jesus was conceived just right on December, Christmas, at the end of December or Christmas season. So talking about the conception like that. Jesus, God Himself, counting the human being age starting from conception, not at birth. Okay, not at birth. In reality, birthday itself, the celebration from pagan celebration. Why a lot of Christian against about Christmas? Okay, themselves celebrate birthday. Birthday itself, pagan origin. So the same thing. As long we not worship pagan God, our God still the God in the Bible with Jesus Christ is fine. Nothing to do worship false God or God, pagan God or something like that. Alright? So talking about that, Jesus conception just right on Christmas and also Hanukkah festival. Because Jesus himself celebrate the Hanukkah festival or the Feast of Dedication. But it mentioned in the Bible the Feast of Dedication, Festival of the Light. So this have connection. Okay? The Christmas and Hanukkah, rapture, dreams, and vision is significant. Not just nothing. This is a property. Okay? Okay. The one people have the dreams and vision about the Hanukkah related with rapture time frame, several of them. But the Christmas rapture dreams and vision, a lot of them. But I know more than 100, 120, something like that. I count it a lot. People testify, just talking about that, comment about that, and plus the videos about that. Okay, so there we have connection. So again, when I heard from the Lord that prophetic word, you will graduate next year. And 5 days before that, the woman who bought my Christmas tree, talking about the rapture. So this is not coincidence only. This have connection each other with this time frame. So it has very significant. Okay, like I told you already. Oh yeah, that Hanukkah festival next year also. Okay, right on Christmas. Okay, from December 25th, 2024, last until January 2nd, 2025, or 8 days later. That's why significant with that rapture for Christmas, Christmas and Hanukkah, rapture, dreams, and vision. And then also the time frames. The Hanukkah festival next year right on Christmas, December 25th. No, not coincidence. I think very interesting. That next year too. But I heard from the Lord, you will graduate next year. I just remember now. I think the Lord ever told me, I don't know how many years ago, already long time there. I'm thinking about the rapture. He told me. I remember he ever told me, you will know it for the time frame. He said, I like that. He told me, I remember that. He said, you will know it. No? I know. Could be, is that true? We will see. I'm not telling you 100% that definitely will happen next year. I just put the puzzle together. Seems like interesting. That's why do not, just pass it like that. We have to remember and pay attention. Next year, the high rapture alert. Related with that, okay? There are 2 total solar eclipses all across America. I mentioned already many times in my other videos, The first one, August 21st, 2017. And the second one, next year in the spring, April 8, 2024. Almost 7 years later, all across America. And both these total solar eclipses will mark letter X. Letter X is meaning wrong, something very wrong, Okay? I think something wrong with United States, I think this is something big event by next year. Globalists already tell us, that No election, no U.S. presidential election. They already told us. I think connection with the war, because the war already started in Israel. They already started in October 7. This is what I see. Or war is just kind of like propaganda, yeah. Okay, this from government, it doesn't matter. Government, United States involved, the European government, even Israel's government itself. Okay, to make that happen. Palestinian. Okay, I will not tell you the detail about that. If not, I will get banned from YouTube. I'm just telling you briefly, yeah, about this, something to do with Israel, yeah. And also, I think what Satanist global is planning, yeah, other than that war, the other could be cyber attack they're going to do, and with cyber attack, maybe connection with something happened with the bank failure, yeah, economic collapse. We don't know. Maybe not very big. Maybe it's kinda somewhat like that. Can create chaos, yeah, something like a more terrorist attack because of that. Alright? Terrorist attack in the country, put the blame on the or Islamic terrorist attack or Muslims, because Satan himself, the enemy, want to create a division. Division, yeah, conquer being conquered. Just like exactly what the Bible said in Revelation 6, when the first seal being opened by God Himself or Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ will open that seal, and the Antichrist will show up on the white horse with the crown. Antichrist come to to kill a lot of people or control people with conquer being conqueror, to conquering people, to divided people. Same thing like right now, wicked government. They do the same thing because for preparing the beast system, the Antichrist. For the Antichrist, yeah, the beast system itself from wicked government. Wicked government is the new world order. New world order, okay? So be conquered and being conquered. Division among the people, yeah? To bring the confusion among the people. Separation. If we are all in one, have the same mind, thinking, okay, unite together, or healthy and strong, government cannot do anything to us. If we realize is the government wrong, because we are more people than these people, the one in the office. Okay, so that's why the tactic from the Antichrist, the enemy, to bring division, confusion, story, some truth, the truth mixed with the lies, or the other from the other people tell their different story. That's why it can bring confusion or the lies. Yeah, look what happened with this man-made pestilence with the magic potion already happened, division even among the family. Because of that, people become weak and the other die. I mean, it's very sick and die, something like that. So more people, not healthy, sickly people, okay, and the economy bad. More people depend on government. Government more easy to control the people. Okay, this is what the enemy doing, and the same thing the Antichrist, his tactic. Okay, he is the sheep in the wolf in the sheep clothing. This is the same thing, government, the wolf in the sheep clothing. A lot of people not aware, and government, in fact, the biggest enemy. Okay, the enemy in the blanket, in our blanket. So the biggest enemy, or people not aware, or people in denial. Yeah. So I mean, government is not our friends. This is serious. We cannot trust government. What happened in Israel is not all Israel false. Yeah? Okay, some people put the blame on Israel, and some people put the blame on Palestinian. Yeah. Not all their fault. The one their fault, number one, we have to see their government. Especially Israel, and who work together with the Western countries like Europe and United States. We have to see the government, not the people. who inform. All in all, yeah. Talking about that total solar eclipses, yeah. Very meaningful. What happened with America? Okay, like I told you earlier, Satanist globalists, wicked government going to cancel the U.S. presidential election. The last one already rigged, yeah. So all in all, just kind of joke, yeah, with creepy Biden, Joe Biden now. So next time no president. This is what I think related with the assassination on Trump. They're going to kill Trump. Okay, related with this. That's why happen to cancel that election. What I know, yeah, this assassination on Trump could happen, yeah, during Christmas season too. There are no one dream, yeah, someone's dream about that war, kind of like big major war or nuclear attack, yeah. World War III, something like that. There are no several of those dreams and vision, yeah, happen during Christmas season too. You see, that's why it's very significant. What I heard about the rapture event, yeah, will take place, yeah, when the time the bomb go down and the true Christian of the rapture saint go up. Yeah, of course, some of you maybe know also. So that's so significant with this Christmas, yeah, time, yeah. I'm not talking about this year, next year. This year, the Hanukkah festival from December 7 until December 15. But next year, the same time on December 25th, yeah, with Christmas. So, yeah, talking about that, yeah. Don't be discouraged. Keep looking up, yeah, what's going to happen, yeah. We just keep an eye on Jesus Christ. Focus on Him. Do not let the enemy conquer you or be deceived or divide you, yeah, among the people. Okay, we have different opinion. Not to hate the others. If you don't have the same opinion, just leave them alone. You know, they don't believe it, just leave them alone. Don't hate it. In Facebook, a lot of them I block them, because I do not want to bring a stumbling block to the others, yeah, with their comment, yeah. In the real life, just saying like in my co-worker at work, talking about the Bible, just saying one person atheist, or the other person don't believe the rapture, pre-tribulation rapture. Okay, I just say yes. I just not bring up the conversation anymore, you know. They don't believe it. I don't want to bring up argument, especially the workplace, yeah. But in the social media, okay, we argue, yeah, the debate, gitu. Debate still, as long still polite, not become angry and stuff like that. No agreement, rather than bring stumbling block to the other, just block them or something like this. Not do any good, yeah. For the other in the person, we just don't bring up the conversation, just leave them alone. Doesn't matter, you know, because who care, yeah. They don't believe it, maybe they will believe it, who knows, someday. Okay, with the family member it's different, yeah. If very close one, I tell them again, yeah. It's depend on that person, yeah. You see, okay, whether they believe it or not. So talking about this, yeah, don't let the enemy divide you, bring division, and this is what the enemy tactic, and bring the fear too. Okay, from the enemy, not from God Himself. The enemy love to bring the fear. Look what happened with the man-made pestilence. Because the fear, people afraid become sick and die, they're willing to take that poison, inject themselves. Same thing with the war next time, and also the terrorist attack. What will I see? By next year, the presidential election will be cancelled. Could be that terrorist attack. Oh, I would like to tell you about that. The assassination on Trump. That at the time during that, you know, the campaign before the presidential election, November 2020. Yeah, when after that, Trump won it and become president. In March 2020, I got the dream, and the word from the Lord Himself said they're going to shoot Trump on the head. That's what I heard, and then I heard the Islamic terrorists. Well, but other Christian have the dream and vision about Trump. Yeah, they said his bodyguard will shoot Trump. Yeah. So why different? But now I understand, because we have to put puzzle together from several dreams, and revelation and prophecy, or prophetic words from the Lord. Yeah. So it's meaning, you see what related with this Islamic terrorists. All Islamic terrorists become the yeah. So the accuser from wicked government, because Islamic terrorists will make this that happen. This just like happened with September 11 attack. So this is the same thing with Trump. Yeah, they will make accuse Islamic terrorists who shoot Trump. In reality, his own bodyguard. You see, with the death of Trump, could be can cause the chaos, the rising up in America. Okay, and also no election. This is what I see could happen like that. But I put the puzzle together and what will happen with dreams and vision, and also the news. Maybe could be like this, yeah. And also, the several attack. This terrorist attack come to America could happen because they put blame America related with Hamas and Israel. Something like that. That might happen in the country. Yeah. So there are dreams and vision what I know, about terrorist attack. This big major terrorist attack in America. I think in shopping mall, one of those. Yeah. We will see, okay? So it could happen. That's why kind of chosen next year. We will see. We will the time frame this total solar eclipse is also in America. America already undergo judgment. Nothing can fix it anymore because we're living in the very last days. So with this event, okay, America's playing a big role, yeah. Okay, with this event. Sorry, my daughter coming home. To visit, the dog barking. So yeah, this is what I see. America have the significant, yeah, not just Israel itself, because during this time before the rapture event is the fulfillment of the Gentile, the church, and then during the 7 years tribulation, the fulfillment of Israel. 7 years tribulation is Jacob trouble. So Israel is not finished yet with God himself, because they have to finish their punishment, their iniquity, during that 7 years tribulation or Jacob trouble. Alright? They have to finish it. It's not done yet. So Israel still got chosen people, of course. But their government is wicked, including Benjamin Netanyahu. We cannot trust Benjamin Netanyahu. Just like the rest, the other government. Even in United States, European. Even you live in India, just saying. Okay? So, this is what I'm explaining you. This is very significant. And I will tell you more, next time about this prophecy related with the end time and the rapture event. If God reveal it again about his prophetic words and the other maybe dreams, to me, or from other Christian. If this is very important, I would like to tell you more, or talking about Trump again. I know one dream mentioned about this happened, the assassination on Trump during that Christmas season. Again, Christmas season. Like I told you earlier about the bomb explosion or nuclear war attack or war, something like that, kind of big major war during that holiday season to Christmas mentioned again. So like I told you earlier already, there are a lot of people have dreams and vision about the rapture events, that when the bomb go down, the rapture sense go up. Okay, again, that's very significant. I think that Christmas is very significant than the other feast. Okay, some Christian more believe Jewish feast is the rapture time frame. Well, Hanukkah itself is still Jewish feast. okay, or the feast of dedication. Hanukkah and Christmas in the same time frame. Of course, the calendar not always the same time, you know what I mean, with the Jewish calendar and Gregorian calendar. Alright, thanks for listening. Until next time, Maranatha.